All right, guys, welcome back to this tutorial. This tutorial is going to be a tutorial where you understand how to make use of Microsoft Power BI, and I'm going to be your instructor to the end of this training. My name is Fash, and I'm so excited to have you on board. Okay, so what is Power BI? Power BI is a business intelligence software created by Microsoft to analyze data for decision making. I don't want to go deep down into it. Let's dive into how to download Power BI. Just click on download. Oops, my internet is not connected. I think I have to connect to the internet so that we will be able to get it done. Okay, all right, it's already downloading. I think I have to pause the video so that it's not going to take much of our time. Yeah, I think we're back. So here we have Power BI setup desktop download. So let's click on download. Let's click on next, and okay, I think it's loading. So okay, it's preparing for the installation. So this is how we're going to actually be installing it until we get done. You can see next. You can accept, click on next. We're going through the installation right now. Click on next, and then I want to create desktop shortcut icon. Let's click on installation, and this is going to install. So once this is as completely installed, we'll take a look at navigations and how we can do some couple of stuff in Tableau, in Power BI. So okay, so it's already loading, it's validating. All right, come on. All right, so you know what makes Power BI to be lively is that you don't need to start coding like that of Python and some stuff like that. You know, the software is very powerful and at the same time it's easy to work with. So it's all you need to do is just to master basically how the software really works, and a lot of companies are making use of this to make strategic decisions, to analyze big data. So if you want to dive into data analysis, you know, Power BI is one of the most powerful business intelligence software. From the name implies Power BI. The BI stands for business intelligence. If you want to make some decision, if you want to make some business intelligence decision, you need to learn how to analyze data. So that's exactly what we are going to be doing in this training. Okay, so all right, it's actually loading. Okay, all right, we're through with the installation right now, and let's click on finish. So by the time we click on finish, let's see how Tableau is going to be loaded on our computer. So okay, by the time you finish this, you're going to see these PBID desktop stores, and let's just close it. We don't need that one for now. We don't need this for now as well. And I think we've successfully downloaded it. So if you want to see it in action, just type Power BI desktop. So if you want to see it in action, just double click. So by the time you double click, it's going to load and show you exactly that it has been successfully launched on your PC. Okay, and let's hold on. All right, it's already loading. Okay, I think I have to close this. Oh, sorry. Let me close some stuff. Okay, so that we'll be able to see it clearly. And save. Okay, we have a lot that has been opening already, so let's close them. Oops, Power BI. I have to reload it back. Okay. Loading. Yeah, it has been loaded. You can see we have get data, recent sources, open other reports, get started, what's new, all these things. This is the first thing you're going to see if you want to buy Power BI license. We're not buying the Power BI license. Okay, let's just click on OK and click on close. So you can see we have our Power BI launch on our PC. You can see the visualizations. You can see at this particular center, you can see everything. It's looking good. Getting data, Excel workbook, data, ops, SQL server, enter data. All these things we are going to take a look at one after the other as we move on in this tutorial. Okay, this is how the interface looks like, and I can't wait to take you through the journey to become an expert using Power BI. Okay, thank you, and until then, I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.